Hi Kate, it's Suzanne here. You asked me for this video, and my favorite product that I use when I'm organizing is in this corner cabinet, believe it or not. So I will open it and show you how horrible I do not like these Lazy Susans in these corner cabinets. They just don't work right. Can't get enough in there. You can't get too much in there. Things get lost, thrown. So anyway, I decided that I would put Lazy Susans on top of Lazy Susans. So here I have Lazy Susan for my vinegars on one side. And if you can see, I have the oils on the other side. These are things that I use often, and it's like a miracle having them in here on the Lazy Susans. So that's my favorite product. I really love using these. Thanks.